Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show notifications again on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So basically, if you receive a notification and you would like to have it show up in the next couple of minutes or hours, then I'm going to show you how to easily do this. So what you want to do, once you receive a notification on your phone, I'm going to do a swipe down from the top downwards, and as you can see, I have a notification there coming from Instagram. Now, all you have to do is just simply pull down on that notification a bit, and towards the lower right hand side, you will find a notification bell. So if you tap on that, you will see that you receive a pop-up that says show this notification again in, and you have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and even 2 hours. So all you have to do, you just go ahead and tap on whichever one you want and just simply hit and save, and it will show that notification again within that particular time that you select. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.